Well, a man accused of sexually assaulting children when he was an Abilene church youth leader finally standing trial. Jury selection began this afternoon. The charges are against 48-year-old Jeffrey Forrest, dating back to the early 1990s, nearly 30 years ago. Forrest was a youth leader at several Abilene churches. Potential jurors going to the Taylor County Expo Center today for the initial questioning by the attorneys.
Jury selection has been at the Expo Center since last October for proper social distancing. When the jurors are chosen, not only they and court officials, they are the only ones that will be allowed in the courtroom. For those expected to testify, they've waited nearly 3 decades to tell their stories.
KTAB's Jessica Rank breaks down the case that Forrest was expected to face 4 years ago.
Back in 2020, the name Jeffrey Forrest made national attention. Photos of the wanted criminal surfaced as detectives tried to catch a man on the run. In May of 2020, Forrest was arrested and deported from Mexico, booked in the Taylor County Jail. It was 4 years after he was originally supposed to stand trial. Back in the 1990s, Forrest was working as a youth leader at several churches in Abilene, including Pioneer Baptist. More than 20 years later, charges were filed against Forrest, victims coming forward and accusing him of sexual assault.
The things that happened to him should never happen to any child.
Don Steele says his son was molested by Forrest for 6 years.
Jeff took the son that God gave me away from me.
Forrest was arrested in Denton, Texas in 2015. A trial date set for 2016, which brings us back to a man on the run. Forrest escaped to Mexico before his trial in 2016, not to be found until 2020. And now in 2021, he's expected to finally stand trial. 4 years after the original trial date and 3 decades after his alleged crimes. In Abilene with coverage you can count on, Jessica Rank, KTAB News.
Thank you, Jessica. No spectators will be allowed in the courtroom, but that trial will be streamed live on the 350th District Court's Facebook page. And of course, KTAB News and Big Country homepage will also have daily updates.